just finished building these tables. They were really easy to build. The instructions were great. Problem is, on the tops of the tables, all around the outside edge, all the pretty gray shiny is missing. It looks like they wiped it with something that took part of the shimmer off, so it's kind of distracting. I'm not real fond of it. I'm hoping it won't show, or I can find a way to bring the life back to it.
So I originally bought these end tables to replace my older, outdated end tables. And these were a great addition to my living room. They're so modern looking. They were so easy to put together. And the thing that I love is my daughter can hook up her charger and then I can plug in my lamp. And it looks so nice.
I got the nightstand, end table. Everything, got stuff already plugged up. This is how everything looks. It's very nice.
Yeah, because this is ridiculous. Like, look at this. Alright, turn off.
That is really sharp right there. I think it's hardened glue and there's gaps in here.